Amphibians. Amphibians are a class of animals. The word amphibian means two lives, one in the water and the other on land. They live the first part of their lives in water and the last part on land. When they hatch from their eggs, amphibians have gills to breathe the water. They also have fins to help them swim. Just like fish, later, their bodies change, growing legs and lungs, enabling them to live on land. Let us see some of the such amphibians. Frog. Frogs are tailless amphibian, having stout body, sticking out eyes and a long tongue. They lay eggs in water. Adult frogs live in fresh water and on land as well. There are also some species of frog which live underground and on the tree. Salamander. Salamanders have a lizard-like appearance. They have short limbs and a tail. They have 4 toes on their front legs and 5 on their rear legs. Salamanders have the ability to regenerate the lost part of the bodies like limbs, toes, etc. Caecilian. Caecilian is a limbless amphibian. Hence they use their body to move from one place to another. Just like a snake, they generally live hidden in the ground and eat earthworms and other small creatures as their food. Labyrinthodontia. Labyrinthodontia is an extinct amphibian subclass. They are distinguished by a heavily armored skull roof and complex vertebrae. They have the enfolding teeth, which are the parts of animals that fossilize. Anthracosauria. Anthracosauria were strongly specialized semi-aquatic predators with long bodies for eel-like undulating swimming. They have vertebral column, which is formed by 2 cylindrical segments. Amphima. Amphima is a genus of aquatic salamanders from the United States. They have a long elongated body, which is generally black in color. They have small legs which are not noticed by people. Amphima lacks eyelids and a tongue. They lay eggs in wet mud and then remain coiled around them for about 5 months. Pacific giant salamander. Pacific giant salamanders are found in the western United States and southwestern British Columbia, Canada. Pacific giant salamander is one of several salamanders that have vocal abilities. When startled, these salamanders may respond with a croaky-sounding cry similar to that of a barking dog. Members of this family can either be terrestrial or aquatic as adults. Torrent salamander. The torrent salamanders are limited to the western USA, namely the states of California,